Hello. So maybe you're Venezuelan and you'd like to help some family members. You've heard about a new program and you'd like to know some more information. Or perhaps you have some friends or you're just interested in the Venezuelan Parole Program. Well, this video is for you. Today, we're going to be talking about the new parole program for Venezuelans. My name is Jorge Molina. I am an immigration attorney based in Dallas, Fort Worth, and serving clients worldwide. Okay, folks, so we have a very exciting topic today, and it is a new parole program for Venezuelans. Now, there's some key information I'd like to give you. I just want to be very transparent here, and I'm not giving you all the information there is to know. First off, this is a new program, which is subject to change. And frankly, we haven't really seen many people come in under this new program. And there's no exact numbers available yet. So there's a lot of fluidity and a lot of things are subject to change. That's one thing. And then two, there's a lot of detail to share, and it's just beyond the scope of this video. If you have additional questions, consult with a qualified, competent immigration attorney who can help you. Okay. But anyway, here's the big picture about this program. There's about 24,000 visas, or excuse me, spots available to Venezuelans under this program. And if we put it into context, right, there's hundreds of thousands of Venezuelans that have left Venezuela. So it's a very small number for people. So it's going fast. Second, only individuals who are outside the United States and who have not been deported or removed from the United States within the last 5 years will be eligible for this. Additionally, each person needs a supporter in the United States and must pass a background check and fly with their own means to the United States. Additionally, not only if you have a removal order or a deportation order from the United States, you will not be allowed into the program, but if you entered unlawfully to the US, Mexico, or Panama after October 19th, 2022, you will not be eligible for this program. Okay, so that's the sort of the big picture. Now, who is eligible to be your sponsor, right? That's that supporter that you need in order to enter the United States in this program. Well, first, it has to be either an individual who is a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, or have some form of immigration status in the United States, including people that have been paroled into the United States. So necessarily within the people who are not eligible to sponsor someone under this program are people who have a pending asylum case or a pending TPS case. So we know that there's hundreds of cases that filed for TPS that have not been approved yet. So in those cases, you wouldn't be eligible to be the sponsor. Additionally, the sponsor must pass a security check and be financially capable of sustaining the person coming to the United States. Now, based on the parole program for Ukrainians, we know that the financial support is about the poverty line. So it really depends on the size of your family, but it's not as onerous as it is for, or as hard as it is for, say, an affidavit of support. So again, this is one of those details that if you want to know more, consult a qualified immigration attorney. Now, that's the supporter side. Now, on the beneficiary side, additionally, well, here are some of the basic requirements, right? So obviously, you must be a Venezuelan outside the United States. This excludes people who are Venezuelans or might have the citizenship of another country, residency, and this is important, permanent residency in another country, right? If it's temporary, I know there's many Venezuelans in Colombia that have temporary residence. Since that is not permanent, that would be, those people are still eligible. Additionally, again, this person must not have been deported or removed from the United States in the last 5 years. They must pass a background check, must have a valid passport. That is very important. The validity of the parole program is given for 5 years. So you must, if it's about to expire, or you're considering whether just to extend it or get a new one, because the parole document is going to be given to you for multiple years. So this way you get it solved now instead of having to do it again and apply again at a later time. And finally, the person must merit a favorable exercise of discretion. So it means that the reasons they're coming to the United States are in line with the purpose of the program. All right, now we just talked about the big picture, who can be the supporter, who can be the beneficiary. Now let's talk about the process. Well, the process starts by the supporter, the sponsor, filling out Form I-134 online. This program is only eligible to be completed online. After that form is processed, the beneficiary will receive an email from USCIS, and then that person will provide some information to both USCIS and CBP to run the background check. And if it's approved, they're going to give them the travel document. Then they fly to the United States, and then they're processed at the airport. And that's when they get the parole authority to enter the United States. Currently, they said that this program can last, or excuse me, you can be in the United States in this as a parolee for up to 2 years, but it's up to the CBP discretion. All right, so some important things to consider. There's no filing fee here. A petitioner or a sponsor can petition more than one person, and at the same time, one person can have more than one supporter. So sometimes if the person signing doesn't have enough income, but another person can help them reach that minimum threshold. Again, folks, if you have additional questions about this, you can contact us, or you can contact another qualified immigration attorney who can help you navigate the process. The number of spots is very limited, 24,000. So if you want to do this, I recommend that you do it fast. Again, my name is Jorge Molina. If you like these videos, hit like, follow us, drop us a comment. We always read the comments and we appreciate them. Okay, and again, we are based in Dallas-Fort Worth and serving clients worldwide. Thank you for watching.